Choosing the right encryption is a balance between speed and security. Today, we're contrasting the two giants of data transmission, symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Let's break down how they differ in mechanism, performance, and use cases. The first major difference is the keys themselves. Symmetric encryption uses a single shared key for both encryption and decryption. This same key is held by both the sender and the receiver. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair, a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. When it comes to raw power, symmetric is computationally less complex. It provides better performance in terms of speed and efficiency, making it well-suited for encrypting large amounts of data. Asymmetric involves more complicated mathematical operations. It is generally slower and therefore more suitable for smaller amounts of data or secure key exchanges. How do we get the keys to the right people? Symmetric requires a safe, pre-established channel to transmit the secret key. It only works where a secure distribution channel is already established. Asymmetric is the hero of the open web. It enables secure key exchange over insecure channels without needing a pre-existing secure path. To summarize, use symmetric when performance and efficiency are critical. Use asymmetric for secure data transmission, digital signatures, and securing communication channels over the internet. Understanding this contrast is the key to modern cybersecurity. If this comparison helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the digital world.